Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to talk about Global New Mat Interim Report. Do note that this is not a financial advice or a buy or sell call. All content are AI generated and is not associated with anyone. Global New Material International Holdings Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services, including production and sale of pearlescent pigment functional mica filler production and sales, related products manufacturing and distribution, exporting to over 150 countries, worldwide supply of materials for various industries such as plus cosmetics plus automobiles plus coating plus plastics plus leather plus textiles plus inks plus ceramics. The company also produces synthetic mica used in the production of pearlescent materials, insulating materials, functional fillers, refractory materials, and nickel metal hydride batteries. Global New Mat's stock price has increased by 25.78% over the past year due to several strategic developments. The acquisition of Merck's Global Surface Solutions business, Suzanity, has significantly expanded the company's global reach, customer resources, and product offerings. This cross-border deal was completed on July 31, 2025, and is expected to bring substantial growth potential. Additionally, positive analyst ratings and price target adjustments have contributed to the stock price increase. Guozheng International maintained a buy rating for Global New Mat and raised its target price to HKD 5.5 in September 2025, suggesting a potential upside of 17%. Furthermore, Global New Mat's increased stake in South Korea's CQV has shown considerable synergy effects, with CQV reporting an 18% year-over-year increase in revenue and a 170% increase in net income for fiscal year 2024. These developments have collectively contributed to the company's stock price growth over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline for the company can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth drivers: expansion of product scope, particularly in synthetic mica and functional materials. Optimization of product mix, leading to increased sales volume of natural mica-based pearlescent pigment products. Significant increases in sales of aluminium oxide-based and silicon oxide-based pearlescent pigment products. Notable revenue growth includes a 19.1% increase in pearlescent pigment products revenue and a 28% increase in PRC business operations pearlescent pigment revenue. Revenue decline drivers: decrease in glass flake-based pearlescent pigment products sales by -18.2%. Significant decline in the others category, with a decrease of -64.3%. A substantial drop in synthetic mica-based new energy battery insulation and flame retardant materials sales by -56.3%. Net income and profit margins of the company experienced contrasting changes in different periods. Initially, net income rose by 22.1%, reaching RMB 473.9 million. However, it later declined by 31.1% to RMB 99.6 million. On the other hand, gross profit margin increased from 50.1% to 52%, but then decreased to 10.9%. These fluctuations suggest that the company's financial performance was affected by various factors, leading to inconsistent results in net income and profit margins. The company is generating positive operating cash flow, as evident from the financial documents. Two key points support this conclusion. Page 24 states that the operating cash inflow from operating activities was RMB 1,234,119 in 2025. Page 15 confirms a significant increase in bank and cash balances by approximately RMB 3,587.2 million as of June 30, 2025, indicating positive operating cash flow. These figures demonstrate that the company is generating sufficient cash from its operations to cover its expenses and invest in growth opportunities, resulting in a positive operating cash flow. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes in recent periods. Debt levels have increased substantially, with bank loans and other borrowings rising by RMB 335 million from RMB 449 million to RMB 485 million. This increase is evident on both page 15 and page 36 of the financial summary. Interest expenses have also seen a substantial jump, increasing by 238.6% from RMB 42.7 million to RMB 144.6 million, as reported on page 12. Additionally, interest expenses for the 6 months ended June 2025 were significantly higher at RM 125,399 compared to RM B 15,349 in previous periods, page 30. Segment/regions performance overview. The company's financial performance varies across different segments. The PRC business operation has been a standout performer, with a significant increase in revenue of 23.8% year-on-year and substantial segment profit of 246,777 RMB 0. In contrast, the Korea business operation has struggled, with a decline in revenue of 4.7% year-on-year and relatively low segment profit of 19,671 RMB 0. These trends are expected to continue into 2025, with PRC projected to maintain its strong performance while Korea's results lag behind. The company's financial summary reveals a conservative approach to shareholder returns. Despite its financial stability, the company has chosen not to distribute profits through dividend payments or share buybacks. This decision suggests a focus on retaining earnings for future growth initiatives rather than rewarding shareholders in the short term. Concerns over inventory buildup and supply chain disruption. The financial summary highlights a pressing concern regarding inventory buildup. Specifically, the functional mica filler inventory has seen a significant increase of 20% from 40,884 units to an unspecified amount. This surge in inventory levels raises questions about potential supply chain disruptions if demand does not match this increased stockpile. That concludes the financial summary for Global New Mat. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.